2019 JL. I've just taken out the bolts that were under the little luggage hooks and pulled the middle piece of floor out. That's the only hardware taken out. I've built a bracket in here that matches up to my factory holes. So that's just gonna bolt right in. And under here is my CJ fold and tumble seat. This is one of the factory bolts that I had to replace with a longer one. So the bolt that looks like this, that comes out of the black plastic tub thing, is the one you'll need to extend. There's two of them. There's the seat, folded up. And you'll fold it down, it latches right there. And then if you flip it up, of course, there. And shut the top. Alright, son, get in there. I want to use you as a model to see how much room you have. Alright, pull up that half of the seat. Let's see.
It's good amount of room. Got my leg space.
Alright, so that fits you well. Alright, here we are viewing from the back. Not a large amount of room, and he's not a full-grown person or nothing, but it's not bad. See how the colors. It has a really close appearance to the factory.